Okay, so I got a question over email over the weekend about peer review. And if you look ahead on the syllabus, in a week and a half, the next time we meet face-to-face, we're going to cover that, kind of the what is it. But really the question was about how do we know when you're looking at an article on Google Scholar or from any database that the article is in fact peer-reviewed. And it's a little bit of a tricky answer because the simple answer is, in a perfect world, the database that you are using has a box that you can check that says only return peer-reviewed articles to you. And so if that's the case, check that box, feel comfortable that everything you're getting back is in fact a peer-reviewed work. However, if you don't see that, you're going to have to do a little bit of sleuthing, and that's okay because this is one of these things you'll get used to as time goes on. It's very likely that one of two things is going to happen. One is you can go to the article that you have found. Let's say it's on Google Scholar, and it's an article that you like. It's very appropriate. You open the article. It's a PDF. There are a number of journals that will have sort of a cover page that has like the author name, date of publication, and a bunch of other kind of metadata, if you will. And one of the things that's in that sort of cover page is that it's peer-reviewed. So that's one spot that you can look. The second spot, which is definitely the most reliable if the others are failing, is search the journal itself. Go to the journal's website. Let's say, for example, a journal in my field, Journal of College Student Development. If I'm not sure that that's peer-reviewed, I can go to that journal's website. I can look at the About section or something that gives me information about the journal itself, not the articles, but the journal. And it will tell you there that this is a peer-reviewed journal, and it'll give you some other basic information about the journal. You will come to recognize journals. So Journal of College Student Development, if I'm searching and I see that journal, and I've already determined it's peer-reviewed, then all my hits that I get from that journal, I know I'm good on. So as you kind of peel through the layers and see patterns and you see similar journals over and over and over again, you will start to understand that journal is peer-reviewed. The other sort of shorthand way to do this is if it says Journal of, there's a pretty darn good chance it is peer-reviewed. You still want to double check because I'm going to double check. So you want to make sure that you're proactive on that. Now to the question of what is peer review, that is something we will hit the next time we are face-to-face. But for now, the main question is, how do you know that the article you're looking at is peer-reviewed? And just so we're clear, if the database allows you to check off a box saying it's peer-reviewed, do that. If not, sometimes the journal will have a cover page on the article, the PDF, so it might be listed there. And if all else fails, go to the journal's original website and read about the journal, and it will tell you that information there. Okay, good luck. Any more questions, let me know.